Hey there, so here's Pepsi SuperBowl halftime show app. So you can just download it on your iPhone, and this app just runs through the charts. You can see just 900 ratings or so, and it's 4.8 out of 5 average rating. Pepsi SuperBowl halftime show 5-star experience. So you can just discover, win, unlock all of that. So you can tune it tonight during the Pepsi SuperBowl halftime show to watch the show live with your Pepsi SuperBowl Ultra Pass with 360-degree cameras of the performance. Discover exclusive content. You can win some giveaways, unlock footage to see part of history. So that's the app. Like, just for your information, of course you can watch the whole show right now on YouTube. So there's no need in app. But you can also see how the show was made. You can watch the full show. You can see the hidden cameras, Mr. Cartoon custom cans. The special edition cans were inspired, but giveaway closed. So claim Mr. Cartoon custom cans. So that's already closed. So you're able to use this app during the Super Bowl, and if you just enable notifications, you'd be able to get all this exclusive content and giveaways and all of that. I think that this app will be still available, of course, for the next Super Bowl or something like that. So you can for sure have this app and, just either keep it for the next Super Bowl or just know that there is this opportunity to have notifications enabled and get some of these giveaways. Maybe for the next year they will have NFTs or some digital assets. Where you can use them, and so that's the idea. And so that's basically, you can filter the interests, a lot of content, you can turn on notifications, and basically some of these drops which can happen in this app maybe next year or next period, maybe then you can resell them for much higher price or something like that. Anyways, if you're just a fan of Super Bowl, just get this app. This is how it looks like. You can just browse around and see all the details. And it says there is more to come. Come back tomorrow for a drop if you don't want to miss. Epic new prizes will be released throughout the week. Turn on your push notifications to find out when. Okay, maybe it was just announced on the back in January, but then as you can see there were more and more drops, so maybe there will be more drops. So just enable push notifications here and then we'll see how it goes. So anyways, that's the app, that's the overview. Pepsi halftime Super Bowl halftime show app. You can see that the reviews are pretty positive. Love the newsfeed, excited for halftime show. Great app, getting hyped, so excited. Can't wait, so excited, good stuff. So giveaways aren't working. After personal, I keep getting errors to join the giveaway. So basically the main advantage for the app that you can watch the show live from this app is 360-degree cameras within the stage for its front and center view of the performance. So there you have it. So that's the app. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching the video.